Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's pretend that I've got problems with opening the Google Chrome. So simply find your app and tap on it and hold it. And now tap on this info icon in the right upper corner. Here, first thing you should do is to tap on force stop, because sometimes if it is running in the background, even though it is not visible in the recents, it might interfere and it won't let you open the app at all. So just force stop, tap on OK, and after that, you can try to open it again, but I highly recommend to scroll down a little bit to find the storage. Localize this cache section, and if you've got any kind of cache here saved, just tap on clear cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they sometimes might interfere, so make sure that the cache is 0. After that, you can either try to open the app, or you can force restart, or basically just soft reset, power off and power on the device again. You can simply press the power button and volume down button together long enough and do it together, because I didn't, and then simply tap on power off or restart, and after that those changes should be confirmed. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates. Basically, sometimes the older versions of the apps might not work. So all you have to do is to go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the Google account added and that you've got the internet connection. You can check how to add the Google account to this device on our channel. So let's tap on the search. Tap on the search bar and enter Chrome, because we are interested in Chrome. So just tap on it, and here we've got the information. As you can see, it is highlighted. We've got Google Chrome, which is installed. And if the update is available, instead of open, you will have the option update. And I highly recommend to simply update it. Just download it, let it install. If you wish, you can turn off your device and then turn it on again to confirm and try to open the Chrome. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to actually uninstall it. So just come back to this section, tap on uninstall, wait, go through all of those steps, and then tap on install again. It is because that sometimes overwriting the newer version over the old one might cause some additional problems. So installing directly the newest version might be better option. So try to consider this option too. As a last resort, I highly recommend to also check the system update, because sometimes older versions might now work perfectly with the new apps. So go to the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find software update. It's quite easy in this device. And now tap on download and install. And your device will check for the updates. Obviously, if you've got the internet connection, make sure that you've got one. So it will check for the updates, and basically, if your device will find it, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install. Just go through all of the process and try to install the Google Chrome again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.